Hello guys, my name's John. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel. So this video I'm going to be speaking about what happened recently with my Amazon Merc. I have just received an email that one of my designs had been rejected and the objectionable content was apparently pornographic. Yes. So I'll explain. A couple of days ago, obviously you all know that there was a notification dashboard that was for new content policies, and basically I was just looking to check the boundaries within this, and I started obviously uploading certain things just to see how far you can actually push these new niches. And one of the ones that I uploaded sat under review for 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, and I just got an email this morning saying that has been rejected, and the reason being is for objectionable content 2.1 pornographic content. Now let's go into this. Designs with pornography or offensive depictions of graphic sexual acts. Okay, so you're probably wondering by now, what was my design? Yeah, so apparently my design was either a design with pornography or it was a design with a graphic sexual act. So I can understand why they would think this. No, really, actually, I can't understand. It's actually stupid. Really? Graphic sexual acts? Okay, right. So my design was a stick man with a boner. Yeah, a stick man with a boner. It was a joke. It was a parody. It was a comedy design. It was a stick man saying stick man with his stick. That was it. It was just something stupid, something silly like that. Now apparently this falls under the category of pornographic content. Apparently this is a graphic sexual act. A stick man with a stick is a graphic sexual act. Yeah. So this is obviously went under a manual review. Someone on Amazon has seen this and been rather offended by this. This stick man with a boner. It's a very offensive thing in this day and age, you know, like someone was really offended by this to the point where they rejected the design under the Pornographic Content Act. Yeah, I don't quite understand it myself, but I've learnt my lesson. I will definitely stay away from that kind of thing. I've seen so much worse on Amazon, but then again, some people do just slip through the cracks. So no stickman porn, guys. It's very offensive and it will make the people at Amazon cry. They will get very offended and they will definitely reject your content, and this will hurt your Amazon account to the point where they may even close your account because of your disgusting pornographic content of a stick man. Yes. So going forward, guys, let's just stay away from that. I've actually put up other designs. It's quite similar, just comedy. It's all comedy designs. It's just for a laugh, for shits and giggles, and they have got through. This one in particular was the most offensive because obviously apparently it depicted graphic sexual acts. So it will take me about 5 seconds to design it. It's literally just a circular head, a little stickman body with a third leg essentially, and the text underneath it saying stickman with his stick. Yeah. So going forward, just be careful, guys. I would definitely stay away from anything regarding penises, anything regarding any form of human anatomy, because this is pornography on Amazon. So let me know if you have come across any issues like this, guys. I'd be quite interested to hear some stories that Amazon has rejected your content for, because it's actually quite funny. I find this hilarious, man. Like, seriously, pornographic content, really? Have you seen half the designs that's actually been put on Amazon? Have you seen half of them? You literally see, you see women walking about more or less naked on Amazon with half of the lingerie or lingerie designs, you know. But yeah, Stickman is a no-go. It is a no-go. This is very offensive. Stickman is offensive. Anyway guys, cheers. Hopefully you found this as amusing as I did. Yeah, I still find it amusing to this day. Obviously to this day it just happened. I'm starting to rabble on now because I'm lost for words. Anyway guys, again I'll leave it at that. If you found this amusing, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe. Cheers guys, see you later.